Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Wedding Week video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my wedding day layered card. How beautiful is that? You have the couple embracing there in the center, you have the wedding chairs in the front, and then the flowers there on the sides. You also have some fun garland there at the top. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. I have included 3 different versions of this card, one for straight couples, one for gay couples, and one for lesbian couples. You'll be able to choose which option you would like within the download. This card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, a scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Wedding Week 2025. If you're watching this video while the event is going on, you can find the cut file on the event page. There's a link down below for you to check it out. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in the link below. If you're interested in all cut files during the event, as well as printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing for all event files, go ahead and check out the VIP Access Pass. You can find out more information in the description box below. No matter how you get the file, make sure you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. First thing that we need to do is decide which version we want to make. Since in this tutorial I'm going to be using the straight couple version, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the other options and delete those. Now we need to convert the score lines. So let's find the envelope, click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And now we need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those 2 pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer everything together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the pale pink, light pink, pink, dark pink, and then the maroon. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our pretty front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. And finally, let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card and let's attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close the card and let's attach our front cover panel. And there is our card. I will set that to the side so that I can go ahead and dry. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Attach the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin that envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one really easy to put together? I love the scene that it creates. It's really, really pretty. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Wedding Week video. Bye-bye.